In this video, we are going to talk about HiFi and LoFi in Figma. This is going to help you understand the basics of Figma and overall UI designing. So let's get into the video.
So guys, as I told you in the intro that we are going to talk about LoFi and HiFi in Figma, or in general in UI designing. What is the meaning or what is the difference between LoFi and HiFi? Well guys, if I talk about the full form, so the LoFi stands for low fidelity and the HiFi stands for high fidelity. Now you might be thinking, what are these terms and what are the uses of these terms in UI or UX designing? Well, I'll show you the basic meaning of LoFi or low fidelity and HiFi or high fidelity with an example in the Figma tool itself. So let me take you to the Figma. So guys, as you can see, we are in the Figma tool itself, and here you can see two designings. This is the LoFi and this is the HiFi. Now with the visuals, you can understand what is the meaning of LoFi and HiFi. So if I give you the definition, the exact definition or the exact meaning of LoFi is basically the basic designing or a basic illustration of a product's intended layout and user's journey can be presented through LoFi or low fidelity wireframes. As you can see, this is kind of a basic where you just provides an idea like how the programmer or the developer need to design this page, right? Here the logo should be placed here, and the hamburger or the menu icon should be placed here, and the image, product image will be here, and the marketing message, buy now button, learn more button. This is how the LoFi or the low fidelity wireframe can be created, right? With the very basic efforts and in minimal timing, right? But on the other hand, high fidelity, as you can see, this takes time, and this is moreover the finished product or the finished page, you can say, right? So after developing, the final page moreover will be looking like this. So this is what the basic difference between low fidelity or LoFi and high fidelity or HiFi. These basic terms are very important to understand so that in future, if you become the advanced UI designer, you can use these terms and talk with another professionals in the industry. I hope you understood the difference between LoFi and HiFi.
I hope you liked the content. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Also, I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.